This is a chance for the students to take their academic learnings, the theories that they've learned throughout their 4 years, and put it into a practical experience. So what we do is we go out and work with client organizations with a real problem that they have that they want solved, and we assign a group of students to work with the client and look for solutions to whatever the particular situation is.
This course was very different than all the other courses in terms of it was very practical as opposed to just theory and reading in a book. You applied everything you learned, all the frameworks that you've learned in school. So especially at York, it's the social determinants of health. We really put that to use and saw it being applied in the workforce, in the workplace, in real life.
Well, I think in general, when you enter the workforce, you have to work with a lot of different types of people. So we didn't necessarily choose our teams. We were kind of put together, and we all have different backgrounds and different experiences. So something this course really helps you to do is to sort of come together with different people and learn how to work together and, create a plan and how to overcome barriers when that plan doesn't necessarily go as you want it to go.
The students were able to do the kind of research that we needed doing, and they've written documents for us, they've done a generic type of funding letter that we can use, they've accessed or at least identified a number of resources where we can go to try to acquire funding and seed money. They've defined a lot of what we need to do next steps. They definitely exceeded our expectations. They came with enthusiasm that was really great to work with.
I would definitely recommend this course to another student. I think that if you're kind of especially once you get to your 4th year of university, you've been through that routine, you've taken 35 courses of essentially the same thing, and this really gives you an opportunity to try something new.
I hope that they are excited about this aspect of getting into something new, learning about it, and then I hope they can turn this into reality for them and use what they've learned.
Teaching this course is a lot more fun because, first of all, I get to interact very closely with the students, with the clients, so I get to know them on a whole different level than if I have a lecture and there's 100 people sitting out there in the lecture hall listening to what I have to say. I get to learn a lot more because most of them are issues that I haven't necessarily been directly involved in. So I'm learning about that issue, I'm learning about that organization at the same time the students are.